Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best disc locks for motorcycles on Amazon. Disc locks are one of the most reliable security systems you can get for your motorcycle. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Yahoo Alarm Disc Lock Motorcycle Disc Brake Lock. Regarding securing your motorcycle, the Yahoo Alarm Disc Lock stands out as a robust and dependable option. With its sturdy construction and hardened steel body, this lock provides a formidable barrier against theft attempts. The 7mm pin ensures compatibility with most disc brakes, enabling a snug fit that cannot be easily tampered with. Moreover, the lock's waterproof design ensures it remains reliable even in adverse weather conditions, making it suitable for riders who often face rainy or humid environments. One of the standout features of the Yahoo Alarm Disc Lock is its integrated alarm system. Equipped with a 110 decibel siren, this lock delivers a loud and attention-grabbing sound when triggered. The high decibel alarm serves as a deterrent to potential thieves, drawing immediate attention to any unauthorized tampering with your motorcycle. The alarm system is activated by movement or shock, providing an extra layer of security that can help prevent thefts before they occur. Number 2. Motorcycle Alarm Disc Brake Lock. This motorcycle alarm disc brake lock is engineered to provide unbeatable security. Crafted from high-quality materials, this lock boasts a sturdy and durable construction that can withstand tampering attempts. Its robust design effectively prevents thieves from bypassing or breaking it. The lock's compatibility with most disc brakes, thanks to its adjustable pin size, guarantees a tight fit and maximum protection against theft. With its waterproof design, the motorcycle alarm disc brake lock remains reliable even in adverse weather conditions. Whether you encounter rain, snow, or high humidity, this lock continues to protect your motorcycle without any compromise in performance. The waterproof feature ensures that the lock's mechanisms remain intact and functional, providing peace of mind in any climate. Designed with practicality in mind, the motorcycle alarm disc brake lock offers excellent portability and user-friendly features. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to carry wherever you go. Additionally, the lock comes with a carry pouch that allows for convenient storage when not in use. Number 3. Linkax Disc Brake Lock. The Linkax Disc Brake Lock is a great option because it comes with a built-in lock shock sensor that detects vibrations and movements. It has a 110 decibel alarm and is compatible with motorcycles, mopeds, scooters, e-bikes, etc. that have up to 7mm disc brakes with holes. The lock is made of durable, high-quality aluminum alloy that is waterproof and resistant to high temperatures. It's also easy to use. Simply press the alarm lock button and wait for the beep, which ensures activation. A key unlocks the device. It comes with a reminder cable, and its bright orange color is a visible reminder to remove the device before you start your bike. Users report that it's an effective alarm, and its compact size makes it easy to store. However, there have been some complaints that it's not loud enough. Also, the alarm may be triggered by environmental factors, such as heavy rain and wind. Number 4. AgTech Disc Lock Alarm. The AgTech Disc Lock Alarm comes with a reminder cable that stretches up to 5.2 feet long, so you won't forget to remove the device before a ride. The bright neon color is also an excellent visual deterrent. It features a 110 decibel shrill-sounding alarm that will go off when exposed to vibrations or shock. This device is made of durable zinc alloy that is waterproof, cut-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and high-temperature resistant, so it's built to last. It fits sports bikes, cruisers, scooters, and other types of motorcycles. The lock is simple to use, sturdy, and well made overall. One downside is that it is extremely sensitive and will go off if it senses even the slightest vibration, which can be a bit of a hassle. Also, while the description says it's green, it's really more of a yellow color. Number 5. Xeni Disc Lock. Xeni offers a reliable disc lock that comes with many useful features. There's an audible alarm of 120 decibels as well as a movement sensor. The loud alarm sound will notify you not only if someone tries to break the lock, but also if a thief comes anywhere near the motorcycle. The lock has a steel locking pin of 6 mm. It features a push-down locking mechanism and is easy to install. The device is also very durable thanks to the high-quality stainless steel. It can withstand impacts, weather threats, and more. The package includes 3 keys and a spare battery for some extra peace of mind. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.